Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll briefly look at cost anomaly detection. A very powerful service in AWS that uses machine learning to continuously monitor your costs and usage and to notify you when there's an anomaly in your cost spending. So basically, it will know what's normal for your account and what's within that normal range, and anything that spikes out of that, you will get notified. So keep in mind for the exam, it uses machine learning to continuously monitor your costs. So what you need to know, what else you need to know for the exam is, in order for this to work, you need to set up a cost monitor, and there you will specify at which level of granularity you want it to work. It's either at service level, so it'll be monitoring all of your services individually, which allows to detect smaller anomalies. You can make it work at account level. It will basically just look at the whole cost for your account. You can also look at categories or tags. There's quite a few options there. Then once there's an anomaly, you will get alerted. And basically you specify a threshold, what is above which you want that alert to be happening for the anomaly, or like which anomalies you want to be alerted about. And then you will also get a root cause analysis. Well, you'll be able to do a root cause analysis because this tool will provide you insights into what the root cause is likely to be. So there we go. There's a quick summary of what we discussed. I look forward to seeing you back here next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.